is that time of year. So many people thinking about back to school. Well, here on Tampa Bay's Morning Blend, it's time for our Pack the Pantry because we love helping the community. And one big partnership that we are so excited about that we've touched on the show before, Vigo, Alessi. I'm with my friend Nino once again. It is good to check in with you. Explain, by the way, where we are because I know you can't smell at home. The smell of vinegar is amazing here.
Yeah, so we're in our vinegar room right now, which is where we do a lot of our aging, and next door to us is some of our most popular products being bottled right now, our Alessi Reduction and our Alessi Balsamic Vinegar.
Oh, it smells amazing. And again, you'll have to excuse the noise because this is a working set literally today. And I know you started talking about your products, and I want to talk about your desire to help the community. Pack the Pantry is such an important thing for us as a TV station. Why was it important for you guys to get involved this year?
Yeah, well, I mean, really at the heart of Vigo is family and family and community. And my great-grandfather had once said, we're never going to come out with any products that we're not proud to serve for our family. And so really that's at the epicenter of everything that we think about, helping our community grow. If a family eats together, family's strong, makes the community strong. So
I love all of that. And you touched on, of course, the vinegar product, but that is only one of many. Maybe you've seen in your stores and didn't even realize that they were made right here in Tampa Bay.
Yes, no, absolutely. We have a vast amount of products. Our Alessi line is, of course, most popular items are our vinegar and our reduction, but we have any other Italian staples, pasta sauce. A lot of restaurant chains have our salt and pepper grinders, which are extremely popular. Risotto soup, so if it's Italian, it's under the Alessi brand.
I love hearing this. And of course, we have touched on Pack the Pantry. Today is an important day. This is our big day where we're trying to get people to donate. We're talking about donating monetarily, of course, to be able to pack the pantries and help those kids that go back to school. And you already touched on being able to sit down with your family and eat meals and just that family history that you have. I'm assuming that's part of the reason that you guys have been able to succeed for so many years here in the Bay Area.
Yeah, no, we're third and fourth generation family company right here in Tampa. We actually started not too far from here in West Tampa in my great-grandparents' backyard garage.
Really?
And now we moved, as we grew, we moved to our current space where we have over 500,000 square feet of manufacturing and warehouse space, so grown quite a bit.
And of course, when it means grown and you've got great products, I know that means a great team behind. Give a little love to your employees and your family overall who make this happen.
No, our employees, are the backbone of everything that we do here. Hard work and same thing. Everyone here is local. All of our employees are local, and we're extremely lucky to have them. And of course, our loyal customer base, Tampa is home for us.
And we're extremely lucky to have your involvement and want to help the community, again, with our Pack the Pantries program. We're sharing the website with you. Of course, you can find it on ABC Action News, Tampa Bay's Morning Blend website. Anything else you would like to add and why you wanted to be involved so that people realize the need is so important?
Yeah, so I mean, there's an issue here locally with food insecurity, and Vigo and Alessi really just wanted to do something, give back to the community that's been so supportive of them over the last 75 years. So we're just trying to do our part and encourage everyone else to do their part as well.
I like that. That's a great way to end. Encourage everybody to do their part. Of course, again, check out our websites. Today is a big day. We really want people to talk about this campaign with Pack the Pantries. And again, I think I'm going to see you hopefully in the future soon. So thank you for your time today.
Thank you guys. Appreciate it.